the sound of yesterday. And when upon the night I hear the day that was not meant to be, and hear again the voice of these my brethren far away from yesterday, call forth an old refrain, wherein my voice is not forgot, can be in an hour to be the power we owned, or beauty in the sky. For history did travel through our chords, and echoes found. Oh, yesterday, die quietly for aye, and call not hence a tear from ours no more, within the grasp of living. Fade away, e'en from the cells that hold thee, where before the memory inscribed for aeons long the touch of man and angel in a song.